Hi, I'm Grant Varner with the law firm of Varner and Segura here in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to talk to you for a minute about premarital agreements or so-called prenuptial agreements. A lot of people call my office every week and they say, are prenups recognized in South Carolina? The short answer is yes. Yes, they are. Now, a lot of people have come up with homemade prenuptial agreements, or they've copied one they found online, or they've just thrown something together real quick and had everybody sign it without actually taking the time to do the proper documentation, research, and attach the proper documents to make it a legitimate prenuptial or premarital agreement. In South Carolina, there's a lot of questions as to what all a prenuptial agreement can protect prior to marriage and going into a marital dissolution. So what I advise my clients to do is bring me a complete list of everything it is that you want to protect. Now, state law is going to go ahead and protect a lot of your premarital assets, such as if you owned a house in full or owned some vehicles prior to the date of marriage. Those will automatically be protected unless you later commingle those into the marital estate. But I ask my clients to bring in a complete list of accounts with balances, titles to vehicles, real estate, businesses, any asset they're trying to protect. You're going to also need to fill out a financial declaration as well as your future spouse, and both of you are going to need to consult with the lawyers about the entire document with the financial declarations attached, meaning that in order to have a prenuptial agreement that has a chance of standing up in court, you need to have the entire document laid out very specifically with what you're trying to protect. You need to have a financial declaration from each person with all kinds of documentation to back it up. And it needs to be reviewed by not only your lawyer, but your future spouse's lawyer. And it needs to be signed off on by all parties to have a chance at making it. Later in our web series, we'll talk about the difference between this type of agreement, the premarital or prenuptial agreement, and an actual marital agreement entered into during the course of the marriage. But again, that's something for a later date. If you have questions about a prenup or would like to discuss a prenup or premarital agreement, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you very much.